Hello, hello, good morning, my dear student. How are you today? I am ELQUIN Mejia. It's a pleasure. Welcome to your English class. Today I'm going to talk about W question. WH questions are those that begin with interrogative pronouns whose first two letters are precisely WH, except how. Introduction to the topic, W question. Now let's see some steps. First step, the W questions are used to ask for specific information. Example, when, cuándo. When is your class? ¿Cuándo es tu clase? What, qué o cuál. What is this? ¿Qué es esto? Who, quién. Who are you? ¿Quién eres? Where, ¿dónde? Where is Dana? ¿Dónde está Dana? Why, ¿por qué? De pregunta. Why are you sad? ¿Por qué estás triste? How are you? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo estás? This is interrogative form. W word, what, when, where, why, which, who, how, whose. Auxiliary or verb to be. Do, does, this, do. Subject, you, Angie, you, he, you, Danny, you, this book. Verb, think, travel, study, cry, pick, love, know, belong. About Colombia, to USA. English, in the morning. Mariam, in the college. You love him too. And you can also ask questions in all types of tenses. Simple present, verb to be, progressive time, simple past to be, simple future, between other. Let's practice together. What is your favorite food, Camila? The pizza? I like it. Where are you from, Camilo? Medellin? It's a beautiful city. How old are you, James? 15 years old? Oh, very good. When is your birthday, Vanessa? In May? Me too. Which did you like it? No one? What are you crying? Melissa. Your brother had an accident? Oh, I'm sorry for you. Who are you? Miguel. Fine, excellent. Oh, very good. Who is that? Is you? Oh, thank you. Now let's review. Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning, sir. What is your name? I am Jane. Where are you from? I am from Mexico. What do you do? I am an architect. Why do you want to work in this company? Because it's a great company. And now let's do a feedback. How? How old are you? Who? Who are you? When? When is your birthday? What? What is your favorite color? Why? Why are you so sad? Where? Where are you from? Which? Which you do like it? Evaluation. Camilo, do you live? What is the correct option? A, B, C, D? D? Correct. Where do you live? Nancy, or are you? What is the correct option? We A, B, C, D? How? How are you? Vanessa, do you travel? What is the correct option? Where A, B, C, do? When? When do you travel? Very good, my congratulations. Okay, guys, the class is over. Thanks for your attention. See you next weekend. I wish you a happy weekend. Enjoy it. And finally, I want to share this video so you can see it and listen to it at home. Don't forget practice, okay? God bless you forever. Happy weekend.